Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Now we are in one of famous tourist in Semarang. It called Bukit Cinta Rawapening. It lies on alternative route of Salatiga to Ambarawa, Kebondowo village, Banyu about 45 kilometers from Semarang. Alright, in the first we can meet a parking area. The parking area for visitors is inside the destination and is large enough. Around the Bukit Cinta parking area, there is a permanent building that sells various kind of Ambarawa food and beverage. The famous Ambarawa handcraft from Enceng Gondok we can found in there. Several of bags, flower vases, tissues, holder, chairs, wall hanging, and many more. Food stalls around the Bukit Cinta parking area serve fresh water dishes. Next, we go to the main destination. It serves you amazing police scenery and the green of Brawijaya Hills. The lake and the small boat around it add the beauty of the scenery. The view of green pine and green trees make the air in this area even more fresh, especially when entering this area. Visitors will be greeted by a dragon snake statue circling the hill. The Batu Kelinting snake cave looks beautiful circling the hills. We can see the giant white Batu Kelinting icon standing up right after the entrance to this destination. Yeah, this is a new phase of Rawapening Bukit Cinta, one of the newest and leading tourist destination in Semarang Regency. Come on, I will take a walk along this destination from end to end. Alright, we just pay 15,000 to enter this destination. This destination is perfect for people who like nature, walk, quiet and calm place. Yeah, Bukit Cinta is extensive. We can go around the carving bridge and then take a short break while taking selfies here and there. Found the gazebo with super artistic perfored roof. Then we can also walk into circle until we meet the playground. For those who are married and bring their children, in the northern part there are also rides for children such as swing, seesaw and turns. We can have a fun picnic with friends, bring food in the basket, lay out a mat and eat it together in the shade of pine trees. If you don't bring your own food, around and inside the park there are fairly clean local stalls that offer food and drinks. There are also Banyu snacks in the form of eel chips. Alright. Previously, we could also take Korean style photos. How can? Yes, because in one spot there is also a love lock. The couples carry a padlock that has been given a name and a love word, then they can pin it there. After that, we can go upstairs and feel the coolness with some shade provided. Don't forget to also see the beauty of Rawapening with the mountains stilking out behind it. Last but not least, we can go around the hill of Bukit Cinta which was built around the hill. Well, the most fun point is that we can explore the middle of the swamp by renting a motorized boat, which costs around 30,000 per half hour. Usually we are invited to rotate for 1 hour with a maximum of 6 passengers. We will be invited to rotate through the water Yosi to the fish pond. The view from the middle of the swamp is really interesting, especially at sunrise and sunset. Colors that really spoil the eyes and heart. Okay, I think that's all for me. Let's come to the Bukit Cinta Rawapening. Thank you and goodbye.